So let me just see. Oh my god, guys, this end is so big. What? Hey guys, good day. It's your girl Itohan and welcome to this new video. If you're new, you're so welcome, and please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see from the title, we'll have an interesting unboxing from Temu. I am so excited. Like, this is not my first time ordering from Temu. Temu is like my regular go-to platform to order amazing stuff at affordable prices. I'm so excited to tell y'all that we are working with Temu in this video. Thank you so much, Temu, for reaching out. So guys, I have literally like 2 packages here. So this is the first one, and also this is the second package I received from Temu. And I was told to just pick some products. I decided to pick some home essential products, okay, because you all know when it comes to, you know, like homemaking, cooking, taking care of the home, I am very big on that. So I kind of picked some items that would be very useful for me here in the house. Okay, so if you don't know about Temu is an amazing platform where you can order any item, actually, like any item at all, at very affordable price. I don't know of any platform as affordable as Temu at the moment. Temu is literally the most affordable platform to get items right now. So you won't believe these 2 packages I got from Temu. I would definitely show you the product I got very soon, but if I tell you that everything I got here was not even up to £40, I was so shocked that, oh my god, so I can get a whole lot of items for just £40. Like, y'all will be shocked when I open these packages. Okay, and I also love the fact that they give free shipping and also free returns. I have definitely returned some items that I didn't really like on Temu, and it was so easy to return those items, and I was refunded, you know, my money. So I have my scissors here. Let me just open these packages one by one to show y'all what I received from Temu. As I said earlier, they are kind of in like home essential items. So I honestly, at this point, I can't even remember what I ordered, but let me just open it right now. Okay guys, I am done opening one package. I am still very shocked that I got all this for less than £40. Like, this is a lot. Okay, I think I remember this. Oh my god, guys, I am so excited. So the first item I have in here in my package is this silicone utensil set with a plastic holder. So apparently the utensil I use is like a wooden cooking utensil. So I was like, okay, you know what, I would also like to get a silicone one. Oh my god, guys, this looks so good. What? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So let me just take them out. Guys, I am shocked at the quality I'm seeing here. I would definitely put the price of all the products I got so you guys can see how affordable. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I am so shocked at the quality I'm seeing here. It came with like a plastic cup, and these are silicone utensils. Like, it has like a wooden handle, but the utensils are silicone. Oh my god, guys, take a look at this too. Let me count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh my god, guys, this, I think it's like 10 in here. Like, it has this I think this oil brush, or this pastry brush. I also have like a tongue over here, this kitchen tongue. I also have like a whisk over here, and so many other. Oh my god, this is so good, guys. And if I tell you how much this costs, you guys won't even believe. I will put the price of each of the items I received on the screen and also in the description box, so you guys will be shook. The link to all these items will be in the description box, okay? So if you see anything you like and you want to purchase it, please go click on that link and purchase yours too, okay? Do you know how much you get this on Amazon? This is so good. So guys, the next item I have here is this package. Let me see what it looks like. I'm guessing is this should I say that replica of the Stanley cup. So let me just see. Oh my god, guys, this thing is so big. What? Apparently the straw fell off, and I love how, you know, hygienic everything came. Like, this is the straw and it came packaged in this, you know, in this packaging, and this is the cup. Guys, take a look at this cup. Oh my god. So guys, this is what it looks like. So apparently you can, I don't know how you open this. So okay, you just open this, drop your straw inside and through that and just seal. Oh my god, guys, this is so good. Why buy a Stanley cup when you can get a more affordable replica on Temu? Please tell me. Guys, I was not expecting this quality at all. I don't know if you guys can see. I was not expecting this quality at all. What? And look, even looking at the price, I was like, okay, anything that comes, I will just manage it. But guys, look at this. I was not expecting this quality at all. I am super excited. Oh my god. So guys, the next thing I have on here is this hanger. So instead of hanging like your trousers in individual hangers, you can just, should I say, hang them individually on here, and you can just, you know, pop this in your wardrobe. Like, this would help you save space. So imagine having like 3 or 4 of this, depending on how much you wear pant trousers or how much you have like pant trousers. You can just fold them individually in here and pop this in your wardrobe, and this will help you save so much space. So I love this so much, and yeah, I'm really excited to just throw this in my wardrobe right now. Okay guys, so the next thing I have on here is like a knife sharpener. So let me just open this. This is what it looks like. It's like a knife sharpener. So I think when your knives are starting to get blunt, you can just put your knife in here and just, you know, sharpen it. I have never tried this before, and I have one particular knife that is starting to get blunt, so I'm just going to try this out and maybe give you guys a review. I'll talk to you more about it maybe in one of my vlogs if it worked perfectly or not. But this is what it looks like, okay? I'll put the price on the screen and also links to all this product in the description box, okay? So guys, the next thing I have on here is like a paper towel hanger. So this is what it looks like. This is what the hanger looks like, and it also came with like should I say a suction like holder. So this is what it looks like here. So apparently my paper towel right now is just on my counter, and I just want it out of my counter. I want it suspended somewhere. So I found this, and you can just use this to just hang your paper towel and just suspend your paper towel away from your counter somewhere, you know, on the wall. So if I have this installed, I'll probably show you guys what it looks like in one of my vlogs, okay? But this is what it looks like. So guys, the next thing I have on here is a kitchen scissors or a kitchen shears. This is what it looks like. So you can use this to like cut fish or cut chicken or cut meats, just anything you want to cut, you know, in the kitchen regarding to food. Just at the back here you can see different kinds of foods. You can use this to cut. You can. So guys, that's it about the first package, and I have the other package over here, and we're just going to unbox this. Oh my god, oh my god, guys, I am so happy. So let me just start from here. Guys, I don't know if you know this multi-purpose vegetable chopper that we all see on the internet. I don't know if you guys can see. So that's what it looks like. When I saw it and when I saw the price, I was shocked, guys. So guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is the holder. So you can just put, you know, your items there and, you know, use that to chop whatever vegetable you want. It also came with some other, you know, chopper inside. I am so excited for this. Oh my god, gonna do this when I chop carrots and vegetables myself with my hands. OMG guys, less than 40 pounds and we are not still done yet. We still have a lot of packages in here. I am so shocked. So the next thing I have on here is a manual like vegetable chopper, something like that, or a shredder. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm sure a lot of you will know what this is. The one I have currently, you need to plug it, okay, to a light source. And I was just tired of, you know, maybe if I just want to blend or chop maybe 5 or 6 tomato or pepper, I'll have to do that. So I was like, why don't I just get something manual that won't, you know, use up electricity and still get the work done. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, guys, I did not expect it to be this big. What? This is what it looks like, guys. I did not expect it to be this big. What? So apparently you put in whatever you want to put in, your tomato, your pepper, whatever vegetable you want to put in, you can put that in and you just put it and it shreds those vegetables for you. So my god guys, I am so excited for this. This is going to be like my most used item now in the kitchen. I'm so excited for this. So I have one big one over here. OMG, like I can't even remember what this is, but it's quite big. Oh guys, I remember what this is, and apparently this is the last item here. I am so shocked guys for all this item. So apparently I needed like a drawer for my makeup, because I keep my makeup products inside my dresser. So I wanted like a display drawer where I can just keep my makeup product, and this is what it looks like over here. Okay, okay, so guys, this is what it looks like. It's quite small and cute. Let me just figure this out. Oh my god guys, this is so cute. So apparently I wanted this for like my makeup, my perfumes. I can just, you know, put my perfumes over here. So this is the top. You can probably put like your skincare products in here, your perfumes in here, some makeup products or skincare products in here. So it's, as you can see, it also has like 3 drawers. And I think this will even be very cute for like babies. If you have babies and you have, you know, some of their products that you want to keep, you can. This is like very beautiful and amazing. I'm so excited for this. I'm thinking of even keeping it somewhere here. Just keeping it somewhere here and just putting my products. Oh my god guys, this will be so cute. So this is what it looks like. I am so excited. And one thing I even love about Temu, if you receive your product and you don't really like it, or you feel it does not meet your expectation, you can return it easily, okay, and your money will be refunded to you. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you loved any of this product. Let me know your favorite. All the links to this product will be in the description box, okay? And if you've never heard of Temu before, or you've never shopped on there before, please go to on my description box right now and click on that link to download Temu, and also use my code, which is right now on the screen and also in the description box. Use that code to claim yourself some money on the Temu app. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.